Okay guys, this is what outside looks like. I came out to show you what the snow is doing. So I don't know if I'm going to work tomorrow, but if it gets worse, then I might stay home. I have to take my time when I'm walking because there's a lot of snow on the ground. I was trying to use my GoPro earlier to go live, but that didn't work properly. So I'm going live with you guys. I'm just walking in the complex to show you what's going on. Look at the cars, see? And actually it is still falling. Snow is still falling. I have to show you what's going on because I actually put the GoPro at the window because I was so tired, so I was like, let me just leave it live. But that was earlier. I didn't know it was snowing that badly out here. Oh my God. And I think they said the snow will finish at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and I have to leave like 4 a.m. to go to work. So let me show you. I think I'll be okay though. I'm just showing you a little of the snow. Yeah, it is snowing. So look at the cars, guys. Look at the cars. Oh my gosh. I'm going to see if I could walk to the main road. And I know some of you are very concerned about me. I'm fine. Over the years I learned to lost connection. I didn't make it quite because I don't know, my internet is just going, and my data, I don't know what's going on. But as you can see, there's a lot of snow, and there is the guy with the kid playing in the snow. Look, let me take some. Oh, I don't even have a gloves on. It's like a lot of snow. Whew. See, snow on my boots. See, snow. It's a lot of snow. So I just come out here to show you guys. Look at that, man. And it is still falling, and I have to go to work. I hope it's not that bad tomorrow morning, because they said it will finish at 7 a.m. and then on Friday, I think we're supposed to get like snow on Friday. Yeah. So this is just a short vlog to show you guys the snow. I even forget my gloves, but I'm fine. Yeah. Oh my God. Really early in the morning, and you have to get up. You have to get up like an hour and a half because using the warm water, you have to shower and then stay for a while. See that car? That car? See, skidding. So I'm going back inside. See, It looks beautiful on the screen, but when it's cold, Jesus Christ, when it's cold or when it's freezing, and you know, when you have like the ice on the ground, oh, you don't want to experience that. The internet is going out. My data is messed up. And the GoPro decide to have a mind of its own. So tomorrow morning after work, if it still have some snow on the ground, then I might try to snap some clips of the snow. So guys, this is what the snow looks like. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And the first video, just to let you know, the first video, it was the GoPro. It was acting up. So this one, I think it's a little better. I'm using my phone. This phone is Samsung Galaxy 22. I know they have like new versions of it, but the camera is so good. So see you later. I have to go to bed. So take care. Bye bye.